Usually, a rocky start is a bad thing, but for some of North America's top off-road enthusiast media, it was the start of good things. Ram Trucks took the opportunity of the Moab Easter Jeep Safari to show off the all-new 2010 Ram Power Wagon.
Every time we launch a new vehicle, we want to show it to the media, and it's really difficult sometimes to find the perfect venue. Moab actually offers a lot of trails and a lot of obstacles. Right here you have Wipeout Hill. You don't normally see a full-size pickup truck doing this type of stunt. This vehicle really has a lot of the capability to do this. And here you see it doing it for yourself.
The slick rock, sandstone hills, and canyon lands that Moab, Utah is known for provide a true test for the truck that the Detroit News recently called the most capable pickup out there. Tough trails, which included a steep ascent up the rock walls of Wipeout Hill, showed off the Power Wagon's unique features, which include front and rear locking axles, an electronically disconnecting sway bar, heavy-duty underbody protection, and though it was never called into action, a 12,000-pound Warn winch cleverly hidden behind the front bumper.
Here we are in a Ram Power Wagon cockpit. We're going to walk you through some of the great new features. Over here, this is where really separates a Ram Power Wagon from the standard pickups. We've got a manual shift T-case, 4 high, 4 low, all the way forward. We've got locking front and rear axles and a nice simple knob to operate. You could go to rear lock only or front and rear, and it's easy to go back and forth. So when you're on the trails, a lot of times you're in rear lock most of the trail. You may want to put front lock on, go back and forth. Very easy. The LED lights flash, acknowledging that it's trying to hook up the lockers, and when you get a solid light, you're locked up. Down here is the front sway bar disconnect. Over here, the sway bar is fully connected. You just push this button, and it very quickly separates the two sides of the sway bar, disconnecting the sway bar for great off-road articulation.
Journalists bumped and ground their way over tricky obstacles and gave the big Ram rock crawler high marks for its refinement and the effortless way it handled every challenge. The Ram Power Wagon drives were part of a slate of Chrysler Group activities that included a Jeep, Mopar, and Ram truck press conference, and an opportunity for the 4x4 media to drive wild creations developed by Mopar and the Jeep Design Office. For Chrysler Group Communications, I'm Dave Elshoff.